I knew my construction background could help buyers, but I also knew that the reason I got my real estate license had to be for the same feelings many people selling their home have. They cringe at the thought of giving away so much of their hard-earned money. Over time, I saw firsthand the way people buy and sell houses today was so different than it used to be before the internet. Yet, the majority of the brokerages are still operating the same way. Think about that. The MLS was created in 1908, and the agents controlled the information about properties for sale and set non-negotiable commission rates of 6%. Fast forward to today, we all know this information isn't guarded by agents anymore. It's on the internet like everything else. But yet, people are still paying the same commission rate from over 100 years ago. Why have the big real estate agencies stuck to this traditional commission structure and not offered a discounted fee? Because they haven't been challenged to do so. Persuasive marketing has brainwashed the world to think there is no other option. But there is, and you can't be afraid to use it.